Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to buy Valorant skin. So let's get started. So just come to the home interface of Valorant, and to the top you'll be having the store option over here. If you click here, we'll be having skin for different guns and knife. So as you can see here, this particular Valiant Hero Vandal skin costs 1775 Valorant points. But at the moment, as you can see, I'm having 0 Valorant points. So now to go to the page where you need to pay, you need to just click on this Valorant point icon that you're having over here. If you just click this, it will show you the Valorant points along with its prices. For example, this gives us 2050 Valorant points for 1600 rupees. And the currency could vary from country to country. And here you are having multiple ways to purchase this Valorant points. You're having the card payment over here, PayPal, and in case if you're having any vouchers or gift codes, you can use that also over here. In my case, I'm going to go with the normal card payment, and I'm going to go with this 2050 Valorant points. So I will just click here. And here, as you can see, the price, we need to enter our name, address, and our card details. So after you enter your card details and click on pay now, your transaction will be completed. And as you can see here, I'm having those 2050 Valorant points added. So now I can just click on any skin over here, and if I click purchase, I'll be able to buy this skin. So that's the video, guys. I hope you would have found it useful. Do check the playlist of my channel. I've done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.